Welcome, students, to another lesson using free Sketchup. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to make the knight chess piece without conversation, and without further ado, let's begin. In the Google browser, you can just type free Sketchup, and then you'll see the first link pop up. Select that, and then start modeling when you get to this interface here. You see the blue logo, you're good to go. As we've done in the past, open up your chess pieces template, and I'm going to focus and zoom right there on that knight. And in this particular case, I'm not going to do the entire profile. I'm just going to do the base portion of the profile, and then I'll draw the horse head and push it. So first, I'm going to draw right on the template. Oh, actually, before I start, I'll change my snap interval to 0.001, and then go to the Scenes tab and make sure that I'm in front view parallel projection. Now I'll start by drawing a central axis, and as I've repeatedly stated, make sure the bottom and the central axis are at a 90-degree angle, perfect L, and then zoom in to get much better accuracy, and then bring it up here. And then you can interchangeably use the line and the arc. Here's the 2-point arc tool. Click. Make sure you get a green endpoint. Click. Drag your arc up. Click. And then draw an arc. Hey, working well. So staying with the arc, I go to the second segment here. Boom. Now I return to the line tool. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Boom. I feel it's very successful because I got a nice profile indicated there, and use the pan tool to reposition this whole scene so that you can see these origin and your profile. Use a select tool to make a marquee around your profile, and then use the 4-arrow move tool. Click, and grab the corner and drag it down and snap it into position. And then quickly select the entire template and hit delete. Then save. Use these 3 lines and save as, and double click the SketchUp box. You want to enter knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, knight, and save here. Wasn't that quite nice? Oh, made a mistake. Let's see what happens. Control Z. Oh, there's my template. Leave it. So now I'm going to draw the horse head. I'm going to use the line tool. Okay. Start by using the line tool. Now I'm going to use arcs. Apparently it doesn't like that. So in that case, just keep it simple. Make it more geometric. Remember, you can once again try the arc tool and see what happens. Now I'm back to lines. Ooh, back to arc. There's no one right or wrong way to do it. Try this. Whoa. You have to go Control Z sometimes when you make a mistake, but see, I'm having problems here. Wow, I really like what I've done so far. I'm going to leave that there, and I am going to go to the Follow Me tool procedure at this point. So I'm orbiting, and I'm going to use a circle on my base. Make sure that you're selecting this origin point and with a blue circle, and you're stretching it out. Select the end point of the edge of your base. And then you can proceed to the Follow Me tool, which is under the Push-Pull tool. Select your profile. Select where your base meets the red axis. Make a seamless base. Now use the Marquee tool to select your horse profile and use the 4-arrow move tool to select and move it above. At this point, you can delete the template, and then you can orbit slightly, and you can use the push tool to push it, and maybe look down at the bottom and see if the distance is proper. You probably want 0.75. Because ultimately this is 3 times as big as it should be, so I want it to be a 1/4 inch thick. Therefore, if it's 3 times that, it was 0.75. Now, I can look at it from front view. I can select with Marquee tool. I can use the Move tool, bring it down, look at it from right view, make sure that it is centered right on the blue axis. Yes. Look at it from front view, bring it down, look at it again, see how it made a mistake, messed with it. Control Z, bring it down, look at it from front view. That's really quite nice. And so therefore I will take the Select tool, Marquee the whole unit, right click, and make it a component, and don't forget to select any, and OK. And now my knight is a component. I want to save. And then I'll go to the download. Actually, what I want to do is orbit. Sorry, orbit a bit. Then I go to the download PNG. Don't forget to select export as PNG in the bottom right. And then you'll see the knight PNG. That's when you want to check and verify that it's in your downloads or your recents folder. Finally, that's the final piece that you'll want to turn in for assignment credit. Good luck.